To start, go to your mobile device's application store and search for a scanning app. For this example, we will be using TinyScanner for Android iOS. However, you can use any similar scanning app as they all work in a similar way. We would advise you use an app that has credible reviews. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, open it and allow access to your camera and storage, as it will need these functions in order to operate. Click the camera button and photograph the document you wish to scan. Ensure it is in a clear space, well lit, or alternatively that your camera flash is on. Once you have photographed the document, you will then move on to the selection step. In this, you can pinpoint the four corners of the document. This will show the area that will be scanned in the completed final scan. Once you have photographed the document and selected the area you wish to scan, the application will process this and create your final scanned document. There are various editing processes after that can be used to enhance the scan, but these are not mandatory. Once you have your final document scanned, you can save it to your mobile device or share it via email or other platforms in either PDF or JPEG format. To scan a multiple page document, repeat the original document scan process for all of the pages that you would like to scan. This will file all of your scanned images into one project. Once you have completed the scanning process, back out of the project to the main view, where you will see one project holding all of your documents. To export the document, select your project and export via your preferred process, just as you would for the individual page.